Welcome to a P-roll video. Yes, they're very rare, so hit that like button and subscribe. But by doing so, just votes me up with YouTube, you know. Anyway, race face hip pack. I've had this a couple of years. Modified it as I do everything. The elastic strap that comes with it is just horrible, so we've just added an old belt on there through the original. I don't know what you call these. You know what they look like, you know where they're found. Plenty of water. Carry a spare one of those. I mean, you can put something around here to support it, but they're only like £3. So I bought some spares the other day because on the other bike they're becoming pretty brittle after a couple of years. So there's water, and I got maple syrup, sugar and lemon juice concentrate in there, and a homemade roll bag, I suppose you could call it, hand stitched by myself. Hence we made a little bit of a boo-boo there, but that's taught me a lesson for when I do the next one. Yes, we need to catch some sun. See, clever, thought ahead, striking that balance with sweet and some salted peanuts. It's a win-win. Quite liking those Moloko bars though. It's nice to swap about, like the Bello orange ones, crazy bars are pretty good. And then you go back to these and they're like, oh, these grips are good as well. They're those German ones, quality. And for anyone, well, if you're running one, it's already on the bike, isn't it? But if you're thinking of buying a modular XL toe peak cage, bear in mind if you've got a triple, you might need to bend it over to clear the ring, otherwise when the chain goes down, it's going to like rip a hole in your bolt after a while. You see, sometimes you don't have a choice. I could ride this, but we're training ever so slightly because you might encounter places which are impossible to ride and you've never hiked the bike. It's a different workout. Or you are actually pedaling slower than what you can walk, and that takes, in my experience, a hell of a lot more effort than walking. Prime example is why you should always be careful where you're going to camp. Not just this, branches that have like fallen from higher up and got like wedged in here somewhere, like widowmakers leaning against other trees. Like, check out that, like what's the weight of something like this? You could only guess, really. Even that, I don't know, anything can poke your eye out, I guess, but be careful, innit? We always try to be careful. Try to eliminate that situation best we can. Hello? 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 Is there anyone home? Hello? Might title this P-roll, well not P-roll, we'll title it Not a Bike Packing Video. But it is, I guess, it's a bike packing video, but we're not staying overnight. You beauty, look at that. It's like the Loch Ness Monster, look. Amongst some of the sweetest single track I know, on par with Colorado and the French Alps, amongst places. Sweet. Nice. That's the trouble, isn't it, with managed forest. What was sweet single track kind of gets ruined, but can kind of like make a old trail into the new trail, I guess. P-Raw off piste. I mean, I'm chewing some chews. By having means to carry that extra, well, that 1.5 litre bottle, you can be going all day. And I have been going all day, together with the maple syrup, sugar, lemon, whoop-ass. Really been finding it hard to get out on the bike, to be honest. Motivation, just struggling to get out. But now we're actually out in this, all is well for now. As middle of nowhere as it can be. I mean, there's plenty of places like if you came off your bike or something, you could be stuck there all night. But. Birds know what's up, don't they? So, there's some P-Raw fluff there. That was a good ride. P-Raw signing off.